It is Thursday, February 9th. And let me confess, I was so excited about my in a matchbox that I showed you last night, and I'm still excited about it, but I failed to include shipping from the UK. So those few of you who bought them today at $12, you are lucky, because now they are $14.50, which is still amazing and so much fun and shouldn't change your mind about it at all. But anyway, well worth it, but the price is $14.50 and not $12. My fault. I did that with something else earlier this month, the carpet bags that ran out of here in 3 days. I failed to put the shipping on that. And so when I get those back in, they will not be $59.95. They will be slightly more expensive. So just so you know, I'm being very honest with you and telling you that I really don't want to just throw that money away when I had to pay it anyway. So I'm confessing my oversight. Enough of that. All right, you all got the email last night. Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, you can buy a $100 gift certificate and get a second gift certificate for $25 bonus. $100 gets you $125 worth of gift certificates. $50 gets you a 50 and a 15, so $65 worth. So it's worth it. Treat yourself. It's like free money. Okay. I just said I gave away money. I gave away my shipping money on those two items. Well, now I'm really giving away money, just regular old money. I'm just giving it away. So treat yourself. It's only good until midnight on February 14th, right? Buy one for yourself and give the other one away as a gift. Then also in that same email was all of the needle sets at Bella Filati right now are 20% off. That's all of them. And let me just overview what I have. I have the Loiki, the set that is for breast cancer. And right this minute, I don't see the price. I don't know where it is. I don't know where the cover is. But anyway, it's 20% off. Oh, here it is. I see it. 20% off $155. So that is a good deal. That's 30 some plus dollars off, right? Okay, so that's the Loiki set. I have the Knitter's Pride Ginger set, which is gorgeous. All ginger needles. A set of, I think they're like 11 difference. Oh, it's from a 3 to a 17. What? A 3 to a 17, 13 sizes in one pack. This ginger set is $165, and it will be 20% off of that. That's $16.50 times 2, $38, $39 off. Not a bad deal. I also have the Carbon's interchangeable starter set, which is these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needles. The sizes are 2.5 through 6. And then I have the deluxe set, which is 2.5 through 10. The deluxe is $195. The starter is $85. Okay, 20% off that. I also have the Knitter's Pride set, the full set. I have the 16-inch set. Let me get the prices. You'll want to know. I know. Sorry, I failed to do all that. I apologize for the bloop. So the full set that looks like this, all those different colors. I know it's shining, sorry. All the needles are, each one is a different color, is 115. That is 4 through 11. And then the Knitter's Pride short set for 16-inch for hats, etc. The 4-inch needles, This set is $85. Then I have the chunky set, which is a set of 3 needles for all those fat things like the Rasta yarn and hats, and it is 13, 15, and 17. It is not for hats. I take that back. They're a 5-inch needle, not a 4-inch, so they won't fit on a 16-inch. But anyway, they're great for quick knitting, right? All of that on sale until midnight, February 14th. All right? Treats for you guys. Taking care of you. We love you. We want you to have fun and do something for yourself and maybe something for somebody else. And we're doing this for you. So there you go. That's enough. Enough confessions from Holly. Enough. I will see you tomorrow. Getting in new yarn. Oh, big boxes came today. Wait for the announcement. Tomorrow we will be unpacking. I'll whisper it. Remix Light. Remix Light is back from Barocco tomorrow. What?